And I have learned that nowadays it becomes so easy. Sir is in Bahrain, we are in India, and we are sharing knowledge. We are learning from you, sir. It was a very, very nice session. Thank you so much, sir. And if
thank you very much.
yes,
And
sir.
I'm really happy to meet you today, although the timing maybe is very short, but hopefully we would have more opportunities to collaborate in the future.
Yes, yes, sir.
And,
That would be very nice, sir. I would like to again host you, and I would like to even collaborate on something. This is something very intriguing for me. It was a very nice session, sir. A very enlightening session. Thank you so much, sir.
that would be great. And also in our university, we are having different conferences, and
Yes,
I would share with you some of the conference information. So either kindly you or someone that you would like to, that you know would like to participate. It's mainly about e-learning, topics, and even for postgraduate students in your university, if you'd like to share their outcomes, that would be a great pleasure for us.
surely, sir. If there are no questions, we would end the session now. Okay. Thank you, participants, and thank you, Professor Mahdi. Thank you so much again. We will end the session now, and hopefully we can get together again really soon.
Yes, thank you very much. If you can please share with me the recordings later on when you have time, I would be really appreciate.
Yes, surely, sir.
Thank you. So I have to say goodbye now.
Okay.
Take care and stay safe.
Yes, you too, sir. Have a good day.